In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Trello subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each choice means, and how to complete checkout with confidence. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Trello and that you have admin permissions for the workspace you want to upgrade. You'll also want a valid payment method handy so you can breeze through checkout without interruptions. First, head to your Trello workspace. In the left sidebar, open your workspace settings and look for the billing section. That's the central place where upgrades and invoices live. If you don't see billing, you may not have the right permissions, so ask a workspace admin to grant access or complete the upgrade for you. Double check that you're in the correct workspace, especially if you collaborate in more than one. Subscriptions apply per workspace, and upgrades affect all members in that specific space. Next, choose the plan that fits your team. Trello Standard is great if you need enhanced collaboration features beyond the free plan, such as more robust board capabilities and workflow options. Trello Premium adds advanced views like timeline, calendar, dashboard, and map, plus more powerful controls for larger teams that want deeper planning and reporting. You'll also select your billing cadence, monthly for flexibility or annual for a lower effective rate. Pay attention to the price per member and the number of billable members in your workspace. The total adjusts based on your seat count. If you're unsure, open the plan comparison on the page and match the features to your day-to-day needs. Now enter your payment information. Add your card details, billing address, and any requested tax or company information so your invoices are compliant. Make sure the billing email is correct. That's where receipts and renewal notices will arrive. If your organization requires a tax ID or purchase order reference on invoices, fill those fields where available. Take a moment to confirm your country and currency settings so taxes and totals are accurate. When you're ready, click. Next, confirm payment. Review the summary carefully. The selected plan, seat count, billing frequency, taxes, and the total you'll be charged. If everything looks right, confirm to process the payment. You'll see a confirmation message, your workspace will switch to the new plan, and new features will unlock immediately. A receipt will arrive by email. If anything fails, verify your card details and billing address or try another card, then contact Trello support if needed. That's it. Your Trello subscription is upgraded. You can manage seats, view invoices, and change plans anytime from billing.